Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete layers from your design or project on Affinity Designer in 2026. Deleting unnecessary layers can help you keep your project organized, reduce clutter in the Layers panel, and make it easier to manage complex designs. So, let us get started. Head over to your design on Affinity. Let me go with this example here, and then select a layer from that list of layers here. Before deleting anything, make sure you have selected the correct layer, especially when several objects have similar names or appear close together in your design. For example, if that's a layer group, expand the given group. Right-click into the given layer. Expanding the group allows you to view and select the individual objects inside it without deleting the entire group by mistake. Let me go with that rectangle layer here, and from that menu, scroll down if needed and choose Delete. You can use this method for shapes, text, images, and other individual design elements listed in the Layers panel. And it's gone, the layer, as you can see. You can quickly check both the canvas and the Layers panel to confirm that the correct object has been removed. If you accidentally delete the wrong layer, you can use the Undo option immediately to restore it. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.